Under the hood, the Moto E5 runs the entry-level Snapdragon 425 chipset alongside 2 GB of RAM. While this is enough to run the stock Android 8.0 Oreo interface, it's not going to set any benchmark or speed records. Most games from the Play Store should run on the E5, but more intensive titles will likely suffer from long load times and poorer graphics. It's nice to see stock Android on the phone, and Motorola offers Google's software in its plainest form on all its handsets, allowing for speedy software updates. You get 16 GB of internal storage, but these days that can fill up pretty quickly. Luckily, the Moto E5 also comes with a microSD slot, allowing you to build on the internal space with cards up to 128 GB in size. Motorola's E-line often sits in our list of the best cheap phones as it manages to supply lots of spec for an affordable price. We expect it'll be the same again in 2018, as our first impressions of this new phone are particularly good. There's no standout feature here on the Moto E5, but if the battery life is good and we find it to work well when running apps and games we use every day, there may be a lot to love about the Moto E5.